Hello, welcome. I am Harinder. Today I am going to teach you class 12th mathematics and the chapter number 3, that is matrix. So what is a matrix? Before going to matrix, we take some example. Let's say there are 3 factories in an area. Factory 1, factory 2 and factory 3. And the number of workers, man worker in factory 1 there are 5 man workers and 3 women workers. In the factory second there are 15 man workers and 12 women workers, and in the factory third there are 12 men workers and 60 women workers. So we can represent these data in the form of equation or in the form of matrix. So what is a matrix? A matrix is a form of representation of a data. So we can simply represent the data in the form of matrix, which can be solved later. So we can represent these data in two ways. Like first, here we can represent factory 1, factory second and factory third. Here man worker and here women worker. In the factory first there are 5 man worker, 3 women workers. In the factory second 15 man worker, 12 women worker. In factory third 12 man worker and 60 women worker. We can represent it in another type. If we take man worker here and women here, factory 1, factory second and factory third. Men workers are 5 and women 3, 15, 12, 60, 12, 60. These are the two forms, first and second. This is the first and this is the second form of representing these data. So if we put a big bracket here, then this is become a matrix. This is become a matrix. The symbol of matrix is this big bracket. This is the symbol of matrix. And here the value, these values 5, 15, 12, 60, 12 and 3. These are called elements. These are called elements. And here similarly these are elements. The horizontal rows, these horizontal lines are called rows. And the vertical lines, these vertical lines, these are called columns. Similarly, in this representation, these are rows and these are columns. In this representation, there are 2 columns and 3 rows. In this representation, there are 2 rows and 3 columns. So, how can we represent a matrix? A matrix is denoted by, this is the symbol of matrix, and matrix is denoted by capital letter like A, B, C and whatever. Always a matrix is denoted by capital letter. A matrix is always denoted by capital letters, and the elements of a matrix is always denoted by small letter like this. The general representation of matrix like this: Aij, A bracket Aij. This bracket is the symbol of matrix. Where what is I? I is representing here row and J represent here column. For example, if let's suppose A is a matrix 2 1 4 3 0 1 1 2 0. This is the element of first row and first column. This is the element of first row and second column. This is the element of first row, third column. Similarly, this is the element of second row, first column. This is the element of second row, second column. This is the element of second row, third column. This is the element of third row, first column. This is the element of third row, second column, and this is the element of third row, third column. In generally, we can represent it A11, first row, first column, A12, first row, second column, A13, first row, third column, A21, second row, first column, A22, similarly A23, A31, A32, A33, and we put it into a bracket. This is the element first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column, second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column, third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column. This is the representation of matrix. Now we talk about the order of the matrix. Order of matrix. In this matrix, there are 3 rows: row 1, row 2, row 1, row second, row third, and here column. This is column 1, column second, and column 3. So what we have, the order of matrix is m by n, where m is the number of rows and n is the number of column. In the order of matrix, always we write first number of rows and second number of columns. So order is given by row by column. So what is the order of this matrix? Order of this matrix is, there are 3 rows, so 3 multiplied by 3. We write the order here in this column of the matrix. Some more examples. The matrix is D is 2 1 3 1 4 5. Now this matrix is B. So what is the order of this matrix? Here there are 2 rows, so we put 2, and there are 3 columns. 3 by 2 by 3. The order of this matrix B is 2 by 3. And in this matrix there are first 4 rows, and column 1 2 3. Therefore the order of this matrix is 4 by 3. and in this matrix D there are 2 rows and there are 3 columns. So the order of this matrix is 2 by 3. Now move to next topic. Our next topic is number of elements in a matrix. For example, we have a matrix A 1 2 3 4. What is the order of this matrix? The order of this matrix is 2 by 3 because there are 2 rows and 3 columns, and the number of elements. The number of elements in this matrix is, simply we can calculate number of elements in row multiplied with the number of elements in column. So the number of elements in row is 3 and number of elements in column 2. So 2 3 is 6. So number of elements 6 elements. So we can give the formula for the number of elements. That is m multiply n. M multiplied n. This is the number of elements in the matrix. Move to next topic, and next topic is types of matrix. There are so many types of matrix. First is column matrix. So what is a column matrix? So column matrix. A matrix is said to be column matrix if it has only one column. Only one column. For example, this matrix has only one column. So this is called column matrix. Second is row matrix. What about the row matrix? A matrix is said to be row matrix if it has only one row. For example, third is square matrix. A matrix is said to be square matrix if it has number of rows is equal to the number of columns, and this is denoted by a m into n. For example, a matrix B that is equal to here there are 2 rows and 2 columns, so this matrix is said to be square matrix, that is 2 by 2, and the order of the column matrix is 3 by 1, and the order of this row matrix is 1 by 4. In this column matrix, number of column is always 1, and in this row matrix number of row is always 1. And the fourth, a matrix is said to be diagonal matrix if its all the elements except diagonal has 0. For example, here this matrix has all the elements 0 except the diagonal matrix. And the fifth is scalar matrix. matrix is said to be scalar if all the diagonal elements are same value. For example, this is a scalar matrix because the diagonal elements, all diagonal elements are same. And the sixth is identity matrix. A matrix is said to be identity matrix if all the elements of a diagonal matrix are unity. For example, here the diagonal elements are unity, it means 1. Seventh is zero matrix. So what is a zero matrix? A matrix is said to be zero matrix if all the elements of a matrix are zero value. For example, this is the example of zero matrix of any order. It is also a zero matrix. This order is 3 and its order is 2 by 2. Our next topic is equality of a matrix. Two matrices are said to be equal if they have same number of elements, or we can say the same order, same number of rows and same number of columns, and each elements have equal value. Their corresponding elements are equal. For this, let's say a matrix A and we have matrix B. I m by n, m by n. The order of matrix A and matrix B are same, and then they are called equal matrix. For example, this is matrix A and this matrix is B. So we can say that the order of matrix A is 2 by 2 and the order of matrix B is also 2 by 2, and their corresponding elements are same. Here A11 2, A11 2, A21 1, A21 1, A12 3, A12 3, A22 0, A22 0 elements. So we can, this implies a matrix A is equal to matrix B. Let's take another example. If two matrices are equal, A that is equal to 2x 3y and B is if they are equal, matrix A is equal to matrix B, then their corresponding elements are same. It means 2, 3, 4, y, x equal A, C, 9, this value is equal to this. It means A is equal to 2 and this value is equal to this. It means C is equal to 3. This value equal to this element equal to this, y equal to 9, and similarly y equal to minus 4, x equal to minus 4. This is the equality of the matrix.